Hey guys, we're back here at Ostar Motorsports. Today we're working on my personal M3. Some of you may or may not know, but I picked up this M3 to basically take it from stock to what you would call a stage 3. And we want to take you guys along the process. Now today, what we're going to be doing is the downpipes and midpipes. Now this is a kit that we're selling. It's an Ostar product. Our system is taking the stock downpipes and replacing them with stainless steel components, and then the midpipes is going to go from a dual midpipe to a single large midpipe. Basically be about 3.5 inch in diameter in that section where it was a dual midpipe. Alright guys, so we're back. We just finished the install here on our midpipe and downpipe kit. The downpipes are all installed. The midpipe here has now replaced the dual section from factory. So what we hope to achieve with this kit is to free up some exhaust flow, and hopefully that will give us more gains, power gains, right? And with that, we're hoping it'll sound a lot nicer too, right? So let's bring it down and see how it sounds, and you guys be the judge. Alright guys, so we're done with the install and the sound clips. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The downpipe and midpipe kit will be on the website, so visit us at ostarmotorsports.com. We do have all other types of G80 parts, so if you have any questions, you can also call us or send us an email.